Hello friends, I have a super special video today. I will be showing you my entire process on how I make this amazing raspberry vanilla soap. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I show you the behind the scenes magic on how I make my gorgeous soaps, bath bombs, and more all from my home. If that's your jam, please subscribe for daily videos. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. I hope you're doing awesome. And now, without further ado, let's get right into it.
It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold, I'm golden.
I've just mixed my water and lye together and have set them aside to cool down to below 110 degrees Fahrenheit. While that cools, I measure out my coconut oil and shea butter so I can start to melt them in a water bath until they're completely liquid. I then disperse my oil-soluble titanium dioxide into some of my hemp seed oil, as it's my lightest oil. This helps prevent streaks of white in my soap. I have 2 little jars because I make 2 loaves of soap at once. So when my water and lye solution have finally cooled, it's time to bring it all together. I start by combining my liquid oils with my hard oils that have completely melted. Then I will add some kaolin clay. Then I add my lye solution. Be very careful when you're doing this, as lye solution is corrosive and will burn your skin if it comes into contact with it. That's why it's always advisable to soap with longer sleeves, eye protection, and gloves. I'm now splitting the soap batter into 2. Half of this will be my base color, and the rest will be my swirl colors. I really don't measure this part, I kind of just eyeball it. My base color for this soap is a dark gray black, which I achieve using a black mica that I bought from Windy Point Soap Supplies. I also don't measure this and kind of just eyeball it. And into this container, I add about half of my fragrance oil. I then blend the contents of this container with my stick blender until it's thickened to the consistency or trace that I like. Remember, different fragrance oils will cause soap batter to thicken at different rates, so keep an eye on the soap while you're doing this. The beauty about this black raspberry vanilla fragrance oil is that it behaves super well, and I've got a lot of time. For my swirl colors, it's the exact same process, only I split the remaining half of the batter into each color's individual container. So for today, my swirl colors are pink, purple, and white.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, might's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple
And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you did. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out. I try to post daily. For those already subscribed, thank you so much. You're very appreciated. All 450 of you. Wow. Thanks for choosing to follow me on my journey. And as always, keep being awesome, and I will see you in the next one.